Standard First. Subject English. Chapter Fun Time. Hi children. Today we will write letters Q, R, S, T and U. Come on, let's start. This is how to write letter Q. This is Q. Q for Queen. You can also draw Queen with the letter Q. This is how you write letter R. This is R for rabbit. It's very simple to draw rabbit with letter R. This is how you write letter S. This is S. S for snake. This is how to write letter T. This is T. T for tree. You can draw tree with the letter T. This is how you write U. This is letter U. U for umbrella. You can draw umbrella with the letter U. Children, keep on practicing these letters as you have seen today. You can also have fun by drawing pictures with the given letters.